With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is 50 ml of 0.05 mole of sodium hydroxide is mixed with 50 ml of 0.1 mole of acetic acid solution. What will be the pH of the resulting solution if Ka is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5? So in this question we have a sodium hydroxide which is mixed with acetic acid, and after mixture sodium acetate is formed plus water is formed. And in this question, first we will find out the number of moles here. 50 ml of 0.01 mole of sodium hydroxide is used. 50 ml of 0.05. So when we solve this, it comes out to be 2.5 millimoles. And acetic acid is 50 ml of 0.1 molar acetic acid. So it is 5 millimoles. Now in this case, this is a limiting value. So 2.5 millimoles of sodium hydroxide combines with 5 millimoles of CH3COH. Thus, overall, how much sodium acetate is formed? Only 2.5 millimoles, because this is the limiting value. So this is how we find out the concentration of sodium acetate also. Now this is a salt, because this is a strong base and this is a weak acid. So this is a salt of strong base and weak acid. Okay, that means in this case pH will be equals to pKa plus log of concentration of conjugate base upon concentration of acid. So in this case pH is equals to pKa plus log of conjugate base is this. So its concentration is 2.5 millimoles upon, for concentration is equals to number of moles upon volume. Number of moles is 2.5 and volume is, total volume is 100, because 50 plus 50 100. Okay, and concentration of acid, this is acid, but we will consider it's 2.5 millimoles only, because only 2.5 millimoles is used out of 5 millimoles. So 2.5 upon 100. So these concentration are same, that's why these values cut out from each other and all this value becomes 0. Thus pH of solutions is equals to pKa, and pKa is equals to minus log of Ka. In this question we are given with the value of Ka which is equals to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So when we solve this, it comes out to be 5 minus log 2, and value of log 2 is 0.3. So it comes out to be 4.7. This pH comes out to be 4.7. So I hope you understand this question. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.